20 uses of oil you may have not known about. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Penny Investors, where future millionaires come to get inspired. Today, we're diving deep into one of the world's most fascinating and vital resources, oil. It's a substance that has shaped our modern lives in countless ways, from how we travel to what we wear, and even what we eat. If you enjoy our videos, please hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out on new videos. In this video, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the incredible versatility of oil and its presence in virtually every aspect of our daily lives. We'll uncover the hidden connections between oil and the world around us, from the roads we drive on to the gadgets we can't live without. So without any further delays, let's jump into the 20 uses of oil. Use number 1. Fuel. Oil's role as a fuel for transportation is perhaps its most iconic and widespread application. It's the driving force behind the movement of people and goods across the globe. The most well-known use of oil is as a fuel for vehicles, including cars, trucks, airplanes, ships, and trains. Gasoline and diesel are the two most common transportation fuels derived from oil. Use number 2. Lubricants. Oil's role as a lubricant is crucial in the world of machinery and engines. It's a silent hero that works behind the scenes, reducing friction and wear, and ultimately prolonging the lifespan of mechanical components. Use number 3. Electricity generation. Oil is used in some power plants to generate electricity. This is less common than other sources like natural gas and coal due to environmental concerns. Oil-fired power plants are facilities that burn oil, usually in the form of heavy fuel oil, HFO, or diesel, to produce electricity. These power plants are equipped with engines or turbines that are specifically designed to run on oil. Oil-fired power plants can be found in various parts of the world and are often used as backup or peaking plants when electricity demand is high. Use number 4. Home heating. Oil is a common and reliable source of heat for residential and commercial buildings in various parts of the world. It's used in oil furnaces or boilers to provide warmth during cold seasons. Oil heating systems are known for their reliability, especially in regions where winters can be severe. They can provide a consistent source of heat, even during power outages, making them a dependable choice for home heating. Use number 5. Manufacturing. Oil is used as a feedstock in various manufacturing processes, including the production of plastics, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Many industrial machines and equipment require oil for lubrication and cooling. Use number 6. Petrochemicals. Oil is a crucial source of feedstock for the petrochemical industry, which produces a wide range of products, including plastics, synthetic rubber, solvents, and more. The petrochemical industry relies on crude oil and its byproducts to produce a vast range of chemicals and materials. These chemicals serve as the foundation for various industries, including manufacturing, construction, healthcare, and consumer goods. Use number 7. Pesticides and fertilizers. Oil-based pesticides are used to combat a wide range of pests and diseases that threaten crops. These pesticides can include insecticides, herbicides, and fungicides. Oil serves as a carrier or solvent for the active ingredients in these formulations, helping to improve their effectiveness. While not as common as solid or liquid fertilizers, oil-based fertilizers exist and are used to provide essential nutrients to plants. Use number 8. Shipping. Oil is a vital energy source for the shipping industry, serving as the primary fuel for various types of vessels, including cargo ships, tankers, container ships, cruise liners, and more. Use number 9. Asphalt, often referred to as bitumen, is a critical material in road construction and maintenance. It's made from a mixture of aggregates, like crushed stone, gravel, or sand, and a binding agent, which is primarily derived from crude oil. Use number 10. Packaging. Plastics are one of the most ubiquitous materials in the packaging industry, and they are derived from oil. Oil serves as the primary feedstock for producing a wide range of plastic materials used in packaging for various products, including food, beverages, and consumer goods. Use number 11. Building materials. Oil-based plastics are widely used in the construction industry for a variety of building materials and products. These materials offer several advantages, including durability, versatility, and ease of installation. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, is a common plastic used in construction for pipes and fittings. PVC pipes are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and have a long service life. They are widely used in plumbing and drainage systems in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Use number 12. Pharmaceuticals. Oil plays several essential roles in the pharmaceutical industry, from serving as a raw material in the production of medications to acting as a source of medicinal compounds. For instance, certain essential oils extracted from plants have therapeutic properties and are used in aromatherapy and herbal medicine. Additionally, fish oil supplements are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their potential health benefits. Use number 13. Cosmetics. Oil is a prevalent ingredient in cosmetics and personal care products, contributing to their texture, performance, and overall effectiveness. Whether in lotions, creams, makeup, or hair care products, oil plays a crucial role in enhancing the quality and feel of these items. Use number 14. Food industry. Various cooking oils, such as vegetable oil and olive oil, are derived from plants but often undergo refinement processes involving oil. Oil is used in food processing, including frying, baking, and as an ingredient in various products. Use number 15. Chemical research. Oil serves as a valuable starting material for chemical research and synthesis, playing a pivotal role in the development of new materials, products, and technologies across various industries. Use number 16. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a holistic practice that utilizes essential oils, which are concentrated liquids extracted from aromatic plants, to promote well-being, relaxation, and emotional balance. Essential oils, often derived from various plant parts, play a central role in aromatherapy. Use number 18. Textiles. Oil can be used as a lubricant and in dyeing and finishing processes in the textile industry. The textile manufacturing process involves various machines and equipment, including spinning frames, looms, and sewing machines. Oil is used as a lubricant in these machines to reduce friction and wear on moving parts. Proper lubrication ensures the efficient and smooth operation of textile machinery, ultimately improving productivity and extending equipment lifespan. Use number 19. Sound dampening. In automotive and industrial applications, sound dampening is essential to reduce noise and vibrations that can affect comfort, safety, and overall performance. Oil-based materials are employed in various ways to achieve effective soundproofing and vibration dampening. Use number 20. Preservation of wooden materials. Wood is a popular and versatile building material used in various applications, from construction to furniture making. However, wood is susceptible to moisture, decay, and insect damage. To enhance its durability and longevity, oil-based treatments and coatings are applied. And there you have it, folks, the incredible world of oil and its 20 remarkable uses. From the roads we travel to the products we use daily, oil's impact on our lives is undeniable. I hope you found this journey through the versatility of oil as fascinating as I have. It's a reminder of just how intertwined our modern world is with this precious resource. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And please, share your thoughts in the comments below. What surprised you the most about the uses of oil, and what topics would you like us to explore next? Thank you so much for joining us on this oil-filled adventure today. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay passionate about making our world a better place.